So for my second campaign, I actually did a CRM comparison PDF guide that we have and sequence where the new lead puts in their minimal information, is able to download that PDF. And we also provide some kind of like in general info about me, the company, and then allow them to be educated on the next steps, which would be them potentially signing up for a CRM audit. So I'll go ahead and share my screen so that I'm able to show the campaign. Okay, so we're going to share. So if we see here, the first thing is that they actually request the ebook. So this will actually be, this was kept simple because it's actually going to be embedded on my website. So there will be design art around it. And really, we just need to capture minimal information like their first name and their email. I did go in and customize our thank you page because I also want them to know we provide other resourceful information on our YouTube channel about CRM content and how it can be of benefit to automate the business. So next, the goal is here, and then in this sequence, it's connected by us actually delivering the ebook. So inside of here, I decided to add a tag because we actually have more than one free resource. So this will allow us to see which download the lead has actually downloaded, and then even add a note because I liked having the feature of the breadcrumb of knowing when something was done, even if a tag was removed. Last is us actually delivering the CRM comparison guide. And we actually customized this email so that inside here, we are able to just give a little verbiage and then have the link. I like to keep a minimal, simple view because I want it to feel relatable and not like just some marketing email that my email list is receiving. So that's why you'll see this simple view. For some, they may like, a fancy header or maybe more images. And there may be time that we customize that, but for now, we'd like to keep it simple. So next is the goal of them actually downloading the ebook. And from that, once they've downloaded the ebook, we'll follow up on the ebook in a day or so and ask them, how was the ebook? And this is also where we've customized an email so that they get a little more of an introduction about us in the company. And then we also tell them the next steps of how we can help them, which is actually purchasing a CRM audit. So next would be the goal of them actually purchasing the CRM audit. Now, in thinking about this, we expanded on what we currently do, where we want always ease of flow, but we also want to keep it simple and not overcomplicate what we're offering. So eventually ways to optimize this for us may actually be more of a nurture sequence where we provide more educational resources based on the lead gen that they actually downloaded. So that's ways for us to actually maybe track where we're nurturing that particular audience, or as we learn the behavior of our clients, we can use a little bit more of the diamond decisions inside of there. So the requirements for this setup was really having our PDF already created, or creating a web page that we can reroute them to the email sequences so that we can customize and be more personal to our audience, and really just understanding that ultimately our goal is ease of use and delivering what we said we were going to deliver. So we'll go ahead and hit publish just to see that all things are well, everything checked out. So we'll go ahead and hit publish. Now we can see that our campaign is created. We're able to share the link. And if we go back in here, we can also see that everything is solid green. I also did a little time estimate really to see the cost of automating this. Say for instance, and I feel like I'm being generous with this, we spent 2 hours doing the task that we just outlined, and maybe we do them 3 times in a day, saying 3 people downloaded them or going through that process. And the number of days, 5 working days for 52 weeks a year, that alone saves us $6,825. And to be honest, I'm being modest with the numbers just to give a general idea of what this can do in benefiting our business and allowing our team to help with more revenue generating, high ticket tasks that may be needed for the business. Hope this was helpful and cheering you on always.